is ABC 15 News.
More than 400,000 people with a disability live right here in Maricopa County. As ABC 15's Katie Rammel tells us, a new nonprofit facility opening tomorrow will help them and people worldwide overcome obstacles.
You know, you get your endorphins going.
Like many of us, you'll often find Travis Oldhauser at the gym.
Hey, we're here basically to get a good workout.
His workout, however, can become a challenge. Travis was in a car crash that left him confined to this wheelchair.
It totally changes your life, you know. It sucks.
Finding the valley more wheelchair-friendly than snowy Pennsylvania, Travis moved out west and is routinely using a new multi-million-dollar facility for those with disabilities.
It gives people a launching pad, if you will, to health and wellness.
Amber Blanchard is with the Virginia G. Piper Sports and Fitness Center for Persons with Disabilities. It's a nonprofit facility with a pool, a rock wall, running track, and gym, all tailored to those with any sort of disability, the second of its kind in the country.
Farthest we've had anyone come is a quad rugby team that actually came from London.
Travis didn't travel quite that far, but he hopes his workouts have him working toward the future.
Well, one of the main goals is always to get as independent as possible.
He says he's getting there a few pounds at a time. In Phoenix, Katie Rammel, ABC 15 News.